on, guys? This is Chase from Chasing Lunkers, and welcome back to another episode. I am just editing today's video. Actually, it's the next morning, but we headed out deep sea fishing in Exuma, Bahamas, and we were fishing for mahi, wahoo, or like tuna, basically like anything we could catch. And let's just say we caught something. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Drop a like if you like this video, and leave a comment if you guys deep sea fish at all or anything. So, yeah.
My mate came off. Don't say that. Mine came off. Oh shit. Dad's got one though. You want a Mahi too? Yeah, double Mahi. Oh yeah, this is nice. Nice. Let's go. Little blood. That's what we want to see is blood.
Little female.
Good job.
Alright. First mahi. Unreal colors on this fish. So we're gonna get it back, put it in the ice box, and we're gonna get the lines back out there.
Back out? Oh yeah, we'll let it down. I'll get going a little bit better.
rock and you can, you know, look behind the rock, you know?
Yeah.
We don't have fish in there. Bait fish.
Because this goes all the way underneath, all the way to the other side of the island. I don't even know if we fish thing, but nobody really
All
knows.
the fish are there.
I found it by shit luck one day. There's no putting around.
Look at that big snapper. Big snapper.
So all you
Big
gotta do
kid
is
over
look
there,
at that
too.
wicked rock in your hand. It's pretty cool snorkeling in here. It's clean, it's nice.
Yeah, there's like a big hole straight down too. Right in there. Sand perch right there.
We get a ferret. And a rabbit has more than one hole, so it can't escape. So they got a ferret. The guy, his father made him sit on a hole. His other brother sit on a hole. And he was at a hole. So he shipped the ferret in. The rabbit would come running. Hit him in his fucking ass trying to get out. The kid, he's only 10 years old. He's scared shit. You know what I mean? So the same thing happened to him.
We're back with the mahi. And we're heading to the fillet board. Alright, we got the mahi on the board. Look at the colors right now. It's a vibrant blue. That's just unreal. So, I'm gonna fillet this guy up. It's like a regular bass or something. And I'll show you guys after I'm done. Doing a nice spray down. Soften the meat up a little. Gotta get these hooks out too. But the blue colors on this fish are unreal. A little gray too. It's turned white down here. I'm not sure why. Like down here the belly, but I'm gonna open it up and see what I can get out of this fish too. What it's been eating, and let you guys know. All right, we filleted the mahi, and I went to the stomach, and it looks like a little baby mahi. He's eating. Little baby mahi. At least it looks like it. Throw it into the water.